Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. You find yourself standing in a large grassy field. On one side of you, a big black wolf sits proudly looking toward the forest. He bumps you with his big black head to get you to scratch him behind the ears. On the other side of you, a white wolf lies in the grass with its head up, watching the forest as well and smelling the summer air. Both wolves stand on all fours at the same time. They bump you lovingly and start to jog toward the forest. They look back at you to make sure you're coming. You start running to catch up. You discover you can run fast. Really, really fast. You can keep up with the wolves no problem. They begin to run faster, and so do you. You are all three side by side. You laugh and smile. Now run as fast as you can. The wolves lead you to the forest and you burst through the trees, dodging bushes, leaping over logs, and jumping playfully off rocks and boulders. All three of you come to a clearing in the forest. There is a lake in the distance. The wolves get lower to the ground and run full speed. Faster and faster and faster you run, all three of you together. Imagine this now, running with wolves through a field. Imagine the wind on your face. Imagine the sound as the wind rushes by your ears. Imagine the rush you would feel. You reach the lake at the same time. You're barely out of breath. You take a seat by the water and watch the wolves take a drink from the lake. First, the white wolf comes and sits beside you. Then the black wolf comes to lie down with you as well. All three of you sit quietly and happily, taking in the beautiful view. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.